Welcome to Da Nang. It is sunny today. I can't believe it. Look at this. I can even see some blue skies. And I think a lot of you asked me also, here are some art classes for families. Okay, art classes and a very interesting laundry service here for 10,000 dong. So that's 40 US cents per kilogram. Pretty good. We're gonna take a walk now to the beach and see how the weather is today there. Because it's sunny. I can't believe it. Blue sky a little bit. Oh my God, look at this. The sun. Woo-hoo-hoo. The sun is out. I can't believe it. Beautiful. Right, now we're gonna check out the beach. I'm gonna take you all the way here to this beautiful little street here, which is actually pretty good to live on, I think. Lots of apartments. But what we really want to see is how's the beach today. I could imagine that it's going to be very, very packed again. This is also 10,000 dong per kilogram. Convenience stores left and right. But we're going to see now how lively it is. Because usually in the rainy season, when the sun comes out, everyone goes to the beach, which is also what I'm gonna do now. I just recovered from a bad food poisoning, and I was at home the whole day yesterday. So I don't feel like eating out anymore at the moment. And this is also reality now. Now I think I'm gonna cook at home for the next few weeks, because I really don't want to feel like this anymore. I think it was the worst food poisoning I had in the time here in Vietnam. Doesn't happen often, very little. Like diarrhea here and there maybe, but like the full program is very rare for me. But after 1-2 days, it's gonna be good again. Right, we've got a full market here. It's a 7-Eleven of Vietnam, of Da Nang, actually. There's some road works going on. It's always a little bit sketchy. No safety measurements. They're eating here. What is that? Oh, I think that's food from the restaurants. They're picking up leftover food. Lots of stores. We're at the Do Ba Street right now. We're gonna go straight to the beach, and I give you a live update what the beach is looking like today. It's end of November, and I will post this at the same day, so you know exactly what the weather is like today. It's a little bit windy. Nice and cool, but in the sun it feels warm. And cool is just like relative. It's definitely not Western country cool. It's actually warm. I still have my shorts on. We have the Cecilia here over on the left side. It's a very good hotel as well. I reviewed it. I will put down the link for the Cecilia hotel review. It's a very good hotel. Some of my subscribers also stayed there and told me it's very good. Cecilia. Now when you walk between those big buildings left and right, you get more wind than usual. If you're at the beach, it's a little bit better. But this street here can be very windy. It's beautiful. Every time there's blue sky, it's like a good day. Very nice. Oh my God, they're building something new here. This is so crazy in Vietnam. This is now already built, the foundation. And I think in 3 weeks it's gonna be running. I will check back then. And also this was a restaurant, a seafood restaurant. They're either rebuilding it to something new, something bigger, or they're just renovating it, I don't know. I hope you can still hear me. It's a little bit windy right now. We're here behind the M Hotel. What you can also do is go to the M Hotel from behind here. So if you stay at the M Hotel, you can just go straight there. And here's a big souvenir shop. You can also take a look inside. Oh my god, the waves are so big. Woohoo! That's insane. But let's check out the souvenir shop here. What you can buy here, actually. Because if you coming to Da Nang and you want to get some coffee as well, you can also buy it here. They pretty much have everything. Look at this. Even a Christmas tree. Ho, ho, ho. Lots of rice papers. Hello.
Social Sammy.
Yeah. How you doing? I'm just filming now. All right, let's continue. So here you can find a lot of weird coffees. Also a weasel poop coffee. Okay. And I think those are very nice to bring as a gift with the Vietnamese filter, you know, because you can use this filter often. You just have to clean it, and then you have instant coffees and normal Vietnamese coffees. Usually they have more Robusta beans, because that's what they do here, Robusta, not Arabica. But they also produce Arabica beans. Here you can get lots of nuts as well. Vietnam is also very famous for cashew nuts, so keep that in mind. And all kinds of weird stuff, like things you would not think about. Like, what is it called? Bird nest. That's not bird nest, but I think somewhere is bird nest soup. It's like a sweet soup. And I think the bird saliva creates this specific taste, and it is known to be very healthy, especially for elderly. And when I, for example, when I was in the hospital, the first thing I got was also bird nest soup. But it was good. It gave me energy, so it's good. So here we have a traffic light that is almost never working. So no matter what, you gotta always keep your eyes open. Raise your hands and walk. I see some surfers out there, but it is actually a little bit rough today. It's very rough, and actually the beach looks pretty bad. So it was very rough last night. I know for a fact they will come and clean it up today again. I think they are already in the north, because they always come and clean the beach. But my god, I never saw so much trash here. Wow. 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 Oh my god. I hope they're coming quick, because this is a very bad look for Da Nang. Look at this. Plastic bottles, plastic trash. This is not good, man. But this is reality. Since I'm here since 2 years, I never seen this beach like that. Never. There must have been a crazy storm last night. Look at this. Look at all those bottles. This is flip-flops, lighters, plastic. This is insane. And the water even comes so close here. It's kind of crazy. I never saw this. And this is definitely not how Da Nang Beach looks normally. You can go back to all my videos. I filmed here so many times, and I never saw it like this. This is insane. That must have been an insane storm last night. Because if everything went all the way there, it's insane. Usually the beach is way more, like, the beach is way wider to begin with. But now we have trash spilled up almost to the street. Yeah. That's crazy. It looks like a horror movie here. But the good thing is they will clean it up today, because they always clean up. Yesterday I filmed them as well. They went all the way and cleaned up everything. But I think with this amount of trash, they're starting usually from there and coming all the way down. It will take a while, but I think in the evening it will be gone. Maybe tomorrow, hopefully earlier than later. Because that's not a good look. That looks like a disaster movie somehow. Yeah, guys. One surfer I see. Two surfers in the sea. But no matter what, it's very nice to walk here anyways at the moment, because the sun is out. We got almost a blue sky. We got some... it feels good. It feels very good here at the moment. Besides of the trash on the floor, which is unfortunately. And you see also the trash is in there for long, because there are like shells around it. And they have Chinese signs on it. I'm wondering if it comes from China. Some dolls. This is crazy. This is Armageddon on the beach. That's a good title. Maybe I will call it this way. Oh my god, that's a dead fish. That's pretty nasty. Oh god. Enough. I don't want to see more. But yeah, doesn't look good. I hope they clean it up fast. But you will see it tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because tomorrow is going to be another beach update. And today is pretty good. I think we are getting into a good weekend. So tomorrow is Black Friday. And then it's going to be also, the whole weekend should look better. Pretty nice. So we're here right at the Antung area. This is my favorite part of the beach here. And it is also in walking distance to the Antung area. You can rent out boards here, surfboards. You can rent out chairs for 40,000 dong. And yeah, it's beautiful here. And also one pretty interesting thing, not many people see it. Because if you look around here, you don't see it, right? You just see like a ruin. No one is in this hotel, but this left hotel is open. And that's very, very interesting, especially, let's say, this is a very good point. If the waves are like this, very bad, and you don't want to go in the water, understandably, but the sun is out, then I give you a really good option now, what you can do. And especially in the morning, this might be a very good option for you. If you want to go swim, if the sun is out, sun rises there on the beach. So now it's at the moment 11 or 12, I'm not sure. There's not that much sun on it. But the Holiday Beach, they have a pool pass. It's the closest pool pass you can have, and actually pretty affordable. So look at this. From outside, if you're walking on the beach, you might not see it. But look at this beautiful pool. Look at it. How nice is that, right? There are nice cushions. No one is here. It's crazy. I would make a party here. But look at this. Clean. And it's just, the pool ticket is 159,000, and you get a soft drink and some French fries to it. You see that? Beautiful, and it's actually on the beach. You can even have a lounge over here, see the ocean, and if you want to go for a swim, you go back in there. So that might be a good option, especially for families, if you want to take your children to walk. Look at this. I never thought someone using this subway. And it's just an underpath to the other street. But this lady just used it. It looked a little bit creepy down there. That's how it looks. And I think it was built together with this complex. So if you're scared to cross the street, this is the place for you. You better stay in the Antung area and use this one. There's also those bus, like this bus is now doing a U-turn. I don't know. This is just always mind-boggling how bus drivers can be so weird here. Like there are, mind-boggling. They actually just U-turn somewhere or stand in the middle of the street. Everywhere around here. It's very annoying. Sometimes if there are like 5-6 buses in a row together, they completely clog a street completely and no one can enter or go out. They just stand around taking all the tour groups to one restaurant and because no one wants to walk. Yeah, I think they should ban every bus in this area. So infrastructure, it's a, I would say F. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.